So the day of freedom has arrived. The Jewish people finally find themselves in front of the sea. And at that moment, an argument breaks out. The sea looks at Moses and says, "Who are you? Who are you to tell me to open up?" Moshe looks at the sea and says, "I'm a man." "Yes, you're a man, but you were created on the sixth day. I was created much before you. You need to respect me. I don't need to respect you." Just at that moment, the bones of Yosef HaTzadik are being carried. Ra'a hayam vayanos. The sea saw the bones of Yosef, and at that moment listened to Moshe and opened up before the Jewish people, letting them pass on dry land. What happened? What happens is that it's true. You might be older than me. Reuven was the first of the 12 tribes. But Yosef might have been younger, but because of his actions, because of the fact that he was able to overcome his evil inclination, his lust, his desires, because of this, he became the head of the family. You're not older because of what it says on your passport. You're older because of the work you did on yourself. And this is the message Moshe Rabbeinu gives to the ocean. It's true you've been created before me, but look, it's the effort of man which qualifies a person, nothing else. So even if one starts late in his life, it's never too late to break open your sea, not to look back, not to try to fight your past, not to try to fight your enemies, but just look forward and understand that your future is really in your hands.